Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we were looking at Best in Class. This is page 6, Starting Together, and it shows at the top slide positions, staff with the 5 lines, and it shows a ledger line, although we won't be using that for a while. And then the bass clef with the pitches, with little lines showing what each pitch is. And this is the first note, which is F. And I'm going to play that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And moving on to number 2, the second note, E flat, in third position. 1, 2, 3. And now number 3, what a pair. So we have Fs and E flats, and we're changing between the pitches in between each measure. So you have 4 beats to switch from one to the next. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and on number 4, how do you sound? Takes you back and forth. So it's band for the first measure. Second measure is brass. Third is band. Fourth is woodwinds. Then band again. Then percussion. And then band for the last 2. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And now down to number 5, the third note. This is the D out in fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we go. All right, and underneath it says, "Don't puff out your cheeks." So I've been playing for over 30 years, so that's not an issue I have, but it is something worth pointing out that a lot of kids, when they first start, will do that. And you just don't have the control. And here's Two's Company. So we have D's and E flats. No F's in number 6. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, and... All right, and on to number 7. Three to get ready. F, E flat, D, E flat with rests between them. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1 with playing is number 8, a little extra practice. Number 9 is the name game, where they show you the bass clef and they ask you to write them in, which I'm not going to do. This is primarily an oral tutorial. All right. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.